Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that is where the green and red line annotations down here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And what I'm going to do is just use these annotations for the current levels. Sure, these levels down here still pertain. They're just not relevant, and I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So like I said, I'll just use these lines for the current levels. First level is just nothing fancy behind it. Other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there at 0.0135. So 0.0135 will be that initial area of resistance going into Tuesday. So if this overall trend is going to get continuation, that'll be the key hurdle that needs to be cleared up above. Now, what about levels of support? One of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level, is right up here at 0.0115. And ideal being the keyword, because what I'm not saying is that if the price falls below it, that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. I'm not saying that at all. All I'm saying is if the price can continue to manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. However, taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.0115 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, though, great way to start off the week, and the week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.